Hi, this is Greg Yancey. I've got a 2002 GMC Envoy, and it developed a power steering pump, howling noise, and some looseness in the system. We found, we treated it initially with Lucas power steering treatment, and we really didn't see much of a change. The howl continued on. So I ran across your webpage and decided to try your product, your power steering product. I put it in and the howl was gone in less than, I'd say, 2 or 3 seconds. It was pretty amazing. So, I'm using some of your other products in the car, and that goes down. I appreciate everything you've done for us, and I think you've got a great deal going there. So, thanks.